our channel, it's Malay Philippines. It's Monday afternoon. We're here in our place. And Leon already showed the bridge here from Manila to Pampanga Way. And right now we're going to the under bridge right now.
So this way to Manila.
Yeah. To Manila to Subic.
No, Manila, this way to Manila. Subic another way. Sunset right now. Sunset. And we're going to the under the bridge. Local people, Shaira, go to the school.
This is a bridge under bridge from our place to another place.
Okay. Nighttime is not safety, Shaira, or not?
It's safety here because our barangay put already some light here.
Have light. Okay.
So most of the students, they go here to go home. This is shorter if you don't want to use a...
But this is big water. All. No, later can show to me. But smell not good. SCTX, it's go to the Subic, or also going to the Baguio. This way. So this is direction to Manila. And from Manila, straight you go to Mabalacat. If need to go to Baguio, you can use this road. Show to me, Shaira, is big water until where? Until here. A barangay install solar light.
So this is already...
This is solar light. It's not solar. No, it's not. Before solar, but we install like this. Before it's solar. We already in another barangay. Oh, it's same barangay.
Another barangay.
Another barangay, okay?
It's part of a Sapang Bayabas and part of Mawaken.
Okay.
Middle.
Mhm.
Before here, so many houses here, but right now they removed.
Mhm.
This is school for students.
Kindergarten. This is kindergarten. Oh. Look good kindergarten. So people going from one barangay to another barangay through this bridge. Okay, we can go to another barangay, walk a little bit. You can see also lamp here. So night time it's oh, he eats something. Who live in?
Someone who lives here.
Aha, this is church or not?
Also, woman.
Ага.
Or somebody else.
А вот в sale, вот this shoes, repair shoes. Ага, we repair
We
shoes.
have also rabbit for sale.
What have?
Rabbit for sale.
No, yes, have rabbit. Can you ask how much?
I don't have people.
Maybe have people.
Hot dog.
Dog. No, dog I know. Dog sit. Okay. Not only dog. Chicken also have. Okay, we can next time we come back and check. Maybe rabbit have for sale. We not walk before here. I'm not walk. Shaira walk of course. But I'm first. Young. When you young? When you
Elementary.
elementary. I'm first time. Even I live it's 5 minutes from to home, but I never been here. I first time walk through this bridge.
This is school.
This is school. Ага. Children play because Shaira now
Face to face. Are you want to see?
not working.
Online. Right.
Online school. But why online school?
After the solar or maybe because of the heat.
Ага.
That's why they close first the face to face.
Okay.
This is INC. Church.
What?
Church.
Yes, church. Children asking what your channel. National Geographic. So this is Barangay Sapang via bus, Mabalacat. We always use motor going to Mavoki to buy some groceries, not groceries, some vegetable and fruits also.
We have also street food here. If you want some milk tea, some noodles, have also here and also takoyaki.
Here street foods. This is Filipino street foods. It's fry street foods. Also street foods. Chicken and asal or is fry?
Sa ano? Ano ba to? Iniyaw.
No, this is fry or
Smoke.
smoke. Barbecue. Barbecue. Okay. How much? I want to know because
40 pesos.
it's only 40 peso. Here cheaper because in the Balibago same 80 peso.
Oh, see?
In Mabalacat cheaper. Yeah, cheaper. And this one how much?
This one?
No,
12
this.
pesos, 7 pesos.
Only 7 peso. Okay. Thank you.
Vlog it.
Yes.
What is your ano?
It's my life Philippines.
What is your...
It's my life Philippines. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you.
I will give to you. Maybe I have name card. This is name card. If someone don't like in the video, just message to me. I blur face. If someone don't like.
Okay.
Thank you. Shaira, chicken and asal, chicken leg here. 40 peso only. In Balibago double.
So,
Here more cheaper.
so you want to buy here?
No, we can go to the Eton restaurant, of course. First we take car. Okay, let's go. No, I want to show bridge from the up. Or you want again come back to the bridge? We walk there. Here. Вот is this I know here repair motorcycle.
Motorcycle.
Uh-huh.
What is this? For gate.
What repair?
Gate.
Gate?
Gate, yes.
Sunset good. It's Pinatubo maybe, Shaira, you can see Pinatubo or not? Where sun
Yes,
Pinatubo, we can see Pinatubo.
and then, Arayat to the back.
Yes, and the back it's Arayat. I already say this is road go to the Baguio, go to the Subic. From here, I will say, hi everyone again. From this place to Baguio about 2 hours, 2.5 hours, no maximum 3 hours. To Subic, only 1 hour. I always use car. 1 hour I drive only. This is car go to the Subic or Baguio. Also airport, Clark Airport also this way. This is not safety walk here.
Safety also.
No, I think not safety because sometimes motor and car is overtake even here in the bridge. Sometimes they overtake in the bridge, but bridge is not so wide. You can see this motor overtake in the bridge. You can see now even tricycle overtake and another car also don't have space to move. So dangerous. Most of people say about these bridges, this, Shaira, how to say they say about these bridges? Many times so many die people here.
It depends on, yes, so many people die here because of the reckless drivers.
Oh, so noisy.
They always take some overtake here, that's why most of the time, maybe every year have some accident here.
Yes, because they overtake and they not so wide bridge. This bridge is dangerous bridge, very dangerous drive. This way go to MacArthur Highway. If you go to the straight, it's MacArthur Highway. We will take car now and we go into a restaurant eat. Georgi now in the Angeles, asking film to us, and we're going to eat now. This is resort. Hi. This is resort, very popular resort in this place, Kian's Resort. I will link to location to this resort. It's good swimming pool. It have 2 swimming pool. In the up have swimming pool, in the down also have swimming pool. It's near our home. Also you can buy water here. It's water station. Coffee shop also have. This is coffee shop. Coffee shop is 99 peso. Oh, have 70 peso, have 60 pesos. Very cheap here. Good coffee shop. As I know, owner of this is a resort, a Japanese guy. And this is land, this is lot. Sorry for my English, of course. They try to sell to me because I want to open. What? What?
Patay.
Patay?
Patay. Patay.
I don't know.
Papaya salad.
Ah, papaya salad.
Also near.
No, this is the owner of Japanese.
I don't know if it's owner of Japanese.
No, before. No, I said this is land. I try to open here. I try to open business before. It's for parking, on motor rent or car rent, but I don't want because here is 1 square meters. It's 10,000 peso. I think it's so expensive. So expensive. 10,000 peso is for meter is I think expensive.
Because land every year, it's more higher, getting higher. That's why if you have land before, so you rent it and you do some business, you can sell it more higher than expected amount.
I think impossible to sell more. This is Barangay Camachiles. Let's see, what is it, Shaira? Blue taxi is allowed? Ah, not allowed. Blue taxi. I don't know why not allowed.
20 kilometers, 200 meters.
Okay. And also not allowed muffler, modified muffler, not allowed. But always we use modified. Karaoke. Karaoke, we always to hear karaoke, even after 10 p.m. So, I don't know, no one who follow rules here. This is a river going to Vidau. If you go to the straight, you can go to Vidau. What Shaira need to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Yes, everyone. Thank you. Thank you. I hope, because some of people asking me, you filming in another places. But I think this video no one can watch, because you know, most of people want only walking street, Angeles, in other places in the Philippines. They not interesting. I know, because before I already upload so many video, don't have views, don't have. But if I filming in the walking street, even empty road, many views. That's why I filming most of my video from Angeles city, because from Angeles many views, from another place, from our place don't have views. Okay, guys, everyone, thank you for watching.